Not the kind that walk with ratchet. Thief! No, not pickpocket.
Congratulations, you've won $1 million.
Not talking the scammers. You mean the thief in baby situation from down a Jubilee? No, man. That's a case of psychiatric evaluation. So me pardon she. So what you talk about, girl? You know say you're a sample. Let me give you some example. Bus driver gave you overchange. Cause him in a rush. You took the money, pocket it, and you kept your big mouth hushed. Took the office supplies. Boss don't realize your friend have 50 pairs of shoes. She not gonna miss one. Come on, man. You a thief. When you registers non-profits. Cause I want to escape the tax. Every profit going in your pocket. Government don't know about that. You collect charity.
For the poor.
Not for them. You scrape up the best part for your family and friend. You are a thief. When election time come and you help rig the vote, you never know a slackness you did a help support. You're a thief. You took the government money. Split it between you and Rufus. Then had the accounts department lie that it covered miscellaneous. Your job gave you traveling allowance. Put gas in your truck. Yeah, I'ma drive the vehicle go everywhere, or in me nah go walk. Start up partner. Claim you are the banker. Partner mash up. People money can't show up. You're not only a liar. Me's also a thief. Then ask accounts. You know, see that on the wrong line. Your mind must see a drift. Where's the script? Alright, just so believe it. Backside. Thief! Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube at Zandrama!